Ready?
Yeah.
All right, coach. Performance. As I say, you didn't really like the performance. What's your assessment of the game today?
The assessment, as I said, the performance was not bad. We didn't play the first half. If we continue in the second half, the game would be much easier.
You think one of the reasons the game became a bit scrappy in the second half was maybe because of fatigue, heavy legs. A lot of games been played so far this season and games are coming quick and fast.
Yeah, man, that could have beat, but then again, the pressure and put themselves under pressure because you see how the zone state. We have 5 games to play, and it's like even the players them terms themselves as like 5 final them have.
So well, with the players adding that extra pressure on themselves, don't you think that would give them an extra drive to push further this season?
Yeah, man, that was the extra because as I said, them need to come out of the zone. So you realize how the zone is. We are 4th in the zone. Yeah, but we have 5 games to play starting today. We get 3 points out of the way, so we focus on the next opponent coming Tuesday.
All right. Next opponent coming Tuesday. How valuable is it to rest and recuperate, and also the mental factor of these guys? Just not an easy game today, but definitely you guys already bagged that 3 points. Keeping them concentrated for the next coming up games and not getting over themselves.
Well, as I said, we made the game look hard in the last part because if we did put away all those chances that we created in the first half, we'd have licked the steam out of Camperdown. But I guess it's what I call it now, student we are dealing with. And I will say, fatigue I think we can chip in, but with guys like these, they need to concentrate more.
Captain, a youngster on the team, conceded a penalty. One thing is he didn't hold his head down. He worked hard. He get back into the game. What role does he play in this team?
Well, you know, for win Manning Cup, 18-year-old win Manning Cup and 19. You understand? And you don't know. Players like Lowe, they are the spine of the team. Because it's their 3rd year this. And they are 18, as I say. So with them now, they have to carry the bulk of everything for us to be successful.
All right, coach. Well done and congratulations on the 3 points.
Respect.